I'm Albie, and today the laundry basket became transportation. We came home from swimming lessons with our hair dripping, our towels dragging, smelling like the pool had tried to eat a popsicle. Nomi's ponytail looked like it had been electrocuted. My hair just gave up. Mom pointed us toward the laundry room. The basket was already out, half full of clean clothes. Rock was inside, sitting on a folded towel like a king on a throne. "Coach service," Nomi announced. She looped a jump rope through the basket handles and started pulling. Rock didn't blink. "He rides out the weird stuff." Well, we made it 3 steps before the dogs joined in. Sadie was barking orders, and Max prancing like he was in a parade, his tongue flapping like a tiny red flag. Gio wandered through on his way to the kitchen. "Ah," he said, "testing the aerodynamics of linen, I see." Then he kept walking, carrying a jar of pickles. We took the long route through the hallway, which is actually just a normal route, but Nomi made a royal announcement stops along the way. "Kitchen, your highness has arrived." "Living room, bow to the turtle," she said. On the sharp turn past the hall closet, the basket tipped. Rock slid sideways into a pile of socks. He blinked once, the slow kind. I took that to mean unacceptable cornering. For 1 second, nobody moved. Then Sadie barked. Max leaped into the socks like they were a snowbank. "Abort!" Nomi yelled. We grabbed towels and shirts and Rock and shoved everything back into the basket before Mom could round the corner. We rolled into the laundry room trying to look calm. Mom was there, pulling warm clothes from the dryer. She handed me a shirt. It was still warm. The laundry basket kingdom. Rock blinked twice from the basket, the slow kind that says, "Stay here forever."